Okay.
Hi everyone, it's Dawn here. We're at the Night Riders. This is Lem of EUC Ungerground. He has supplied everyone with new MTen4s, and I am about to open my box.
Oh, are we live?
Yeah, no, not live. It's a video. It's a video.
I'm camera shy.
Not camera shy. Oh my gosh. All right. Big thanks to Dave, who's behind the camera right now, for this lovely night. Oh my god. Okay, you guys don't have to be quiet. Now I'm really self-conscious.
Woo! We can hear her.
We have Ruben here from New York.
Yeah, but we did find out how much you really think about Dave earlier.
Night Rider.
That's very
special
true.
edition. EX30.
Mini wheels!
Mini
Yes!
wheels. What's up, guys? Canada, eh?
We love mini wheels!
For real.
And that's the special Night Rider edition too.
Night Rider edition.
This is my new mini! Ta-da!
That looks like it has a small battery.
300 watt hour.
I discharge.
It's for high amps.
40T, right?
Yeah, 40 T.
You can still go faster on
If
it.
it's not good enough, we can take another one and just combine them.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a good moment.
Roger said he's going to do that.
Oh yeah.
I went to New York with my wife and I went and saw.
Give you an updated.
Go on. The 40T is the racers version.
The racers?
It's the racing version.
Yeah.
Lighter weight, more powerful amp, higher amp battery.
Okay, I think. Is this what you're talking about?
So I'm going to
Wait. So how do you use the razor?
I already sold that.
Josh Morgan showing his butt off to the camera. He's gonna help me take off these. Look, there's so many stickies.
Oh, you need a razor blade.
I got one.
He has it.
We know each other.
Oh my gosh.
It took me an hour last
Wait,
night.
don't do it, don't do it, Don.
Why?
Because you want to put Velcro on there, and then Velcro on there, and then mate it together.
Okay.
So don't,
You'll know if
you
I
don't
do
want to
that.
mate it now?
If I'm ordering a subscription, you'll
We can do it later, right? See on the side.
Peel it off,
see it.
put Velcro.
We broke
No big
down.
deal.
Is there enough
Had to get
battery?
suspension.
Yeah.
Hurry, push it, push it.
We got to push it through 5 times.
No, she waited too long.
Where's the?
It takes me like 20 times to
Where's the anti-spin?
There's no, I got mine in my car.
There's no anti-spin.
I need to put it somewhere where
Okay, now you're It's all in your head. You really don't need it that way. Nah.
Look how cute it is.
I have a
It's so cute. Wait,
So much smaller than my M10.
is it?
No, it's
No,
not.
just the battery. It's the same exact same thing. It's just the battery. It's just the battery. Because he has the pads on. He has the pads on.
How much taller?
And it's a different tire. That's why. How much taller? It's the same.
it's the same physical size.
Yeah, it's the same physical size.
It needs an air in
No,
the
it's the same.
tire.
It's the same.
You have a tiny wheel, Dom.
It's the angle. Dawn, it's the same. It's just the
That's a tiny wheel.
It's not like it's heavy.
It's better. It's better. No, that's good.
Even the pedals are different.
MTen4S.
So how would
It
you
has
know the
spikes.
difference between that and A2?
Okay,
The
so
A2's bigger.
so we know this one is mine because it has no pads
So
on
it's
it.
not a real compact.
Okay, is mine smaller than yours?
You have a flashlight.
15-inch.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Mine's thinner.
Oh, you got a baby tire. Look at the tire's bigger on the other one.
Yeah?
The tire, yeah, the tire's different. Oh, now your wheel's tiny.
It's so tiny! I got the runt of the litter. This is my little runt of MTen4. I love him. Okay, let's see if I can ride him. I only have one bar now.
But what I did is I
Cool.
took
I
a
can
toothbrush and I
totally
just
ride
cleaned
it.
off all that. No, I'll take it. Yeah, as a backup. But I took a toothbrush and I just cleaned all that shit off, put it back in. I just said, fuck it, what have I got to lose? 5 minutes later, piled
You
right
guys
up.
are right in the way
Just like
of my video.
Oh, sorry, I thought you said
like
which I'm used to, and it worked out.
fuck. Yoshi called me. It's not picking me up.
Yes, I can ride it. Ta-da!
30-something miles.
Thank you,
From Long Beach.
Where the fuck you at, man?
He's so
You guys, get your wheels from Lee.
Dude, it's 80
because
degrees
it's
outside.
An
Where the fuck
amazing
you at?
deal.
Support Night Riders.
Night Riders! Ooh, I gotta get on my Night Rider gear
We're playing
too.
poker, dude. Get your ass over here.
Whoa, whoa! You guys, I'm ruining my video!
No, she has to bleep it out.
You just ruined the Dawn's video, man. You piece of shit.
Hey, where are you?
San Fernando Valley.
I brought a heating jacket for you. I brought a heating jacket
Yeah,
for
he
you.
had the heated jacket for you.
And it's not 420. It's not 420, dude. It's 610.
I know. It's 420 somewhere.
Yoshi, get your butt down
Look at
here.
him. He is so big.
Where I live.
What? What?
He is so big, man.
Hey, I bought a Guardian Pro Puffco.
Shut up. But I'm
Guardian Pro something. It was $500.
All right.
I'm gonna start.
I will do reviews and everything on the wheel as soon as I can. Thank you
I
so
don't know
much
what it
for
is,
joining
guys. I'm
me.
gonna start
I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.